Moore County, Scotland County, Antrim County, Western Harnett County, Eastern Montgomery County, Richmond County, Lee County, Central Hope County, until 7:15 p.m. At 6:20 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Seagrove to 7 miles northwest of Rockingham to near Tagland, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Sanford, Laurinburg, Southern Pines, Rockingham, Waitsboro, Carthage, Pinehurst, Hamlet, Aberdeen, and Maxton. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. for central North Carolina. This is a dangerous situation. These storms are producing widespread wind damage across portions of Stanley and Montgomery counties. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure.
Yeah, there was a tornado warning in effect for Montgomery County a while ago.
A warning has been issued until 7:15 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Anson, Harnett, Hoke, Lee, Montgomery, Moore, Richmond, and Scotland.
Again, no?
The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Alamance County, northwestern Moore County, Orange County, eastern Randolph County, eastern Guilford County, northern Lee County, Chatham County, until 7:15 p.m.
At first I thought it was going to go off on WNG 706.
Along a line extending from near Greensboro to 7 miles west of Seagrove, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts.
They're both 70 miles an hour wind gusts.
Indicated. Impact, expects considerable tree damage.
Apparently that's
damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Greensboro, Chapel Hill, Burlington, Sanford, Asheboro, Graham, Hillsboro, Randleman, Pittsboro, and Siler City. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. for central North Carolina. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in Raleigh. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. for central North Carolina. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:15 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Alamance, Chatham, Guilford, Lee, Moore, Orange, and Randolph.
No, it's the tornado warning. It's a tornado warning I've ever seen on here.
Raleigh has issued a tornado warning for East Central Randolph County, Northwestern Lee County, Southwestern Chatham County until 7 p.m. At 6:27 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 8 miles west of Siler City, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Siler City around. The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a tornado warning for East Central Randolph County, Northwestern Lee County, Southwestern Chatham County until 7 p.m. At 6:27 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 8 miles west of Siler City, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source,
I knew it was going to be a third header.
Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter.
It's a tornado warning.
Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Siler City around 6:35 p.m. Goldston around 6:45 p.m. Pittsboro around 6:55 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Cumnock, Coleridge, Hasty, Bynum, and Ramsar. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeat. A tornado warning has been issued until 7 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Chatham, Lee, and Randolph.